Yeah, it's better now. No anti-flickering. I never changed it from Europe. So I wasn't going to do a review because we've done a review in this hotel before.
Yes.
But they obviously remodeled.
They have done a big remodel.
Yes. So
It's
this
amazing.
is Holiday Inn on Country Road 76 in Branson, Missouri. And we have an older video review, but this room has been redone.
Yeah.
Very nice.
They got
Oh,
USBs with the plug.
I'll let Jim guide us around.
They have this. This is new.
That is, yeah.
And then like the color schemes are
Very nice. It feels clean, yeah.
And you still get the microwave with the coffee maker, refrigerator.
They have a full breakfast downstairs in the morning.
Yeah.
That's included.
That's amazing. You got a safe.
Any money in that safe?
I don't know.
Oh,
No win. Oh.
no money in the safe.
No money in the safe.
And
What's this over here?
my luggage.
There's a little cubby over here on the end.
Oh,
It's your ironing board and your iron. That way it's out of the way. I like that.
I like that. Okay.
So, and then there's also plugs right here on
Yeah, to plug in the iron maybe.
the
Nice big screen, big
nice
TV.
Deep drawer. 2 deep drawers. Put all your luggage there.
Put your luggage. A desk.
Nice
Nice mirror.
You got USBs in the light.
USBs. There's lots of USBs.
That's awesome.
And on my side of the bed, there is USBs
Another
too.
USB with the plug.
Love that.
They don't have those crazy lights anymore that sit in the corner.
Was that here?
That was here.
That's a nice full-length mirror.
So they put a mirror light in.
A nice lighted full-length mirror.
Yeah.
Like
and then
I can't see very well.
2 plugs here.
I can't see good, so I get like really close to mirrors.
That's great.
That's really good.
You can see yourself with that one.
And then this one came with a balcony. So let's see.
Oh, somebody broke in.
Okay.
All right.
And we got a nice view of Taco Bell.
And
Oh, actually, nice. And we got a corner. Look at that. We got Walmart next door.
Yep.
Perfect place. You can walk and go get some snacks and stuff. Taco Bell open late
an
night.
Indian restaurant we like.
There's
over
an
there.
Indian restaurant over there on the other side. It's really good food.
There, you used my trick.
I used your trick.
Okay.
And so, yeah, we'll film a little bit of outside. There's a pool. Same, I think everything's the same as our old video. I'll link the old video in the back. And looks pretty good. I gotta go charge this battery.
Right.
We'll go, yeah.
I think we have to check out the bathroom.
Oh, we have to check out the bathroom.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm running out of, okay, we have 4% battery.
We'll be good.
We'll be good. Let's check out this bathroom.
I want to see this bathroom. Oh, look at the new.
Mm-hmm.
That's sleek. 70. Yeah. There we go. 60.
It's hot.
All right. One switch.
Okay. All the Holiday
Yeah.
Inns have gone to Dove.
Yep.
Jim's trying to break the mirror.
No.
Did you try to take that off the wall?
You could, I guess, if you wanted to.
They have a bar
Dove
soap.
soap. You got
Makeup removers. Those never worked for me.
Yep.
I like this corner.
That is nice.
I don't think they didn't have the corner ones before.
Look at that.
I hate when they do that.
They even press it.
I hate
It's
when they do
pressed.
that. No, I don't like that.
That's wow. Okay.
And
Good
this is the new
toilet.
showers.
And yeah.
The water pressure here has always been amazing.
Yeah.
No, not now. Don't do it now. No, don't do it now. I'm running out of battery.
Oh.
We'll recap and show you the grounds
But
afterwards.
it's got a curtain.
Yeah, it's good.
So-
It's bars to get in and out.
Yeah.
Dove, everything you need from
And
Dove.
it's not one of those tubs that you have to be like.
No, it's low. So, yeah, they redid
yeah.
this. Looks very good. We're
I
gonna
really
charge
like this.
we're gonna charge our battery and we'll take a look around later.
All right. Ciao. Yeah.
Where's the stairs?
I don't know.
We're gonna do the stairs so we can
That was weird.
video the overlook on the next floor. Video where it overlooks the lobby.
Oh, yeah.
And then next floor. 4. The lobby's in what, 3rd level.
Yeah.
So let's go to the 4th. It smells and it's hot. My knee.
Money?
My knee. It's funny when you get old. Going down hurts your leg. Okay.
4th floor.
Ice. Dominoes.
Huh?
I gotta take dominoes off my alerts.
Oh, yeah.
Because I keep getting domino alerts. You gotta get pizza now. No pizza. I'm gonna have to go back and look and see what their color scheme was last time. So then on the 4th floor.
Breakfast area.
That's where they do the breakfast. Pancakes.
Overlook the pool.
Pools on that side. You can sit up here. Everything else is the same,
Yeah.
pretty much, huh?
Yep.
Diamond Elite parking.
4.
Oh, if we don't step it up, we're gonna lose that. You know that, Jim?